Hello beauties, that's Nonosi's kitchen and we are back. Here we are doing rocket salad. As you can see in front of me, I have ingredients to do our salad. I trust you guys will enjoy. While you are watching, while I'm doing the salad, I will be continue doing what I do, chop, do whatever. But right now, what I'm going to do is I have to show you all the ingredients. Make sure that you have seen the ingredients. We have sweet peppers, 3. Here we have a balsamic vinegar. We're gonna use later for the dressing. And here we have feta cheese. We're gonna use it with our salad. We have a pack of rocket salad, and here we have roasted beetroot, and we have a roasted squash. I really don't enjoy like the beetroot that is being boiled, so the one that actually is roasted is so nice because you can see the colors coming through. As you can see, it's darkish reddish. I'm telling you, everything is going, and yay, it's going to give our salad like colors, people, colors. Here next to us we have a beef that we're gonna use later with our salad. So this beef, there is a spice that I have used, but I will show the spice later on. After 5 minutes when I come back, I will show you the spice that I have used in here. I have been picking things up. Okay, I will have to prep everything put together. I'll come back in 5 minutes. Just take a coffee. I'm coming back. Okay, let me see. That's the sweet peppers. I have grilled them. So right now I'm removing the skin. As you can see, that's what I'm doing right now. That's how you do it when you are at home and you want to do it. That's how we go about it. But if maybe you don't want to grill it yourself, you can go to Pick and Pay. They sell it there, but it's easy to make yourself. For yourself, it's easy. You just take the pepper, and then you use olive oil, and then you just use olive oil outside. Just put olive oil outside all around. When you are done, you just cover it with a plastic. Make sure that you cover it. The steam is gonna be there, so that it's gonna be easy. So that it must be easy for you to remove the skin. Yeah. And I like grilled peppers because when you grill the peppers, they become sweet. Try it. Just try it. Go and take a pepper, grill it. I'm telling you, like, you will taste the sweetness of it. Yeah. At home you can cut your beetroot like small. Here I'm just doing for the camera, so that everything must look beautiful, and for those who are at home, they can be able to see the ingredients. The ingredients must be able to come out. But if you are at home, you want to make this salad, you can just make cubes, but they mustn't be that small, but yeah, they must be just the right size, because you want everyone to say wow to your salad. But the salad must taste good. Again, cooking is not only about colors, but it's about cooking something that is so good people will enjoy eating.